Today we're going to do a speed test of the Dji Mini 3 Pro to see if the speed that DJI claims is correct. They say that this little drone can fly in 57.6 kilometers per hour or 36 miles per hour, and that should be in a wind-free environment. And we have a pretty much wind-free environment down here. Here's a soft breeze coming down this way, so let's see if we get any different in speed. So first let's test the maximum speed, and that is for the sport mode. So let's switch the remote to sports mode. Now all the obstacle avoidance are disabled, so we have to be aware of that. And now let's see what speed we can get. $50 kilometers per hour, 56, 57.6. Well, it goes faster than. Let's fly back again. It said 57.6 kilometers per hour. Let's do it one more time. It's almost 60 kilometers per hour. Look, over 58 kilometers per hour. This is the fully normal setup. In normal, the max speed seems to be about 36 kilometers per hour. 37. And can you switch between normal and sport when you are in flight? Let's try. You can. It goes directly into full speed mode. As soon as you turn, the speed goes down. And just for the sake of this test, let's also compare with the cinematic mode what speed we get in the default settings in cinematic. So this is the full speed forward, and we are getting about 20 kilometers per hour. 21. So now we know how fast the drone is going forward. The question is, does it go as fast backwards? Let's try that also while we're on it. Full speed backwards. No, that is the maximum speed, about 45, 46 kilometers per hour. So it goes a lot faster forward. Let's also try how fast it goes sideways. Have 30, 40 kilometers per hour, 50 kilometers per hour. It goes a lot quicker sideways than it goes backwards, so be aware of that. It's fast. It's really fast, this little drone. Well, the Dji Mini 3 Pro is definitely fast. It's faster than DJI claims. And while we know that, please watch that video now, because that is the video that YouTube recommends you to watch next, and the video on that side, well, that is the latest uploaded video I have. And until we see each other in that video, have a fantastic day. Over and out from Sweden. Bye.